Oh! Yoink! Healing potions are good. I only need one of those. Careful of the spikes. I said careful of the spikes. Ooh! More healing potions. Get. Where's he going? Yeah, I don't need that. I'm just gonna go around the perimeter here. I don't think they thought this weapon totally through. Spikes. Oh, one of those guys. They sure have a lot of hit points. And it's dead. Okay, looks like we've gone around the perimeter here. There's something we're looking for. That's not it. But he's dead anyways. Whoa. Yeah, they did not think this through, did they? Like, oh, you sure we should put this weapon that does 40 damage in? It kills everything in one hit. Yeah, it'll be fine. They won't figure out how to use it. I hear another one of those, there it is. That's right. Okay, I'm looking for... not that. Something specific. Just, whoa. Sorry about that. That works. How about down here? It's here somewhere. Yeah, let's not back up too far there. Ooh. Let's use that actually. That one was trying to run away. There's another weapon level. What's that? Ah! Oh, dog. That was terrible, dog. Oh. Okay, so it must be there. Sorry this is taking a while, but I just want to make sure that I step on those spikes. See, I'm looking for that. I'm kind of, need to heal. Organize my mini healing potions. Let's make sure we're healed up to full. Perfect. Okay, now grab it. Nice. That costs 600 manas. That's almost all the manas we have. And we're done here. Almost. We have to go back and pick up our stuff, but other than that, we are finished. Let's not run into any spikes. Take that. And I'll take that. What's that? Oh. It's fine. These places grow back in. It's pretty interesting. Whoa! Yeah, take that. Yeah, we only need one of these. That flew really, really far. And of course I walked directly onto the spikes. There's the exit. Yeah, I'll put them in ranged. Okay, so where to? Just past the reed plane. So where do we want to go? Fire Mountain. Now that's through the evil stronghold, isn't it? So we... Oh, no, we seem to be south of the reed plane here, so let's keep heading west till we hit that bridge. The hell is that thing? Hey, guy.
How are you today?
I'm Jinx. He's Bertone. Glad to meet ya.
That wasn't the question, Brilliant.
I'm Jinx, not Brill. Not Brill.
Quiet, Brilliant. And as for you, turn about and go. May I cross the bridge, please? How very polite. But I think not.
Oh no, where do you think you're going?
Where I'm going is across the bridge. Not likely. Now go, or you'll meet with more than a harsh word.
Yeah, the bosses guard the bridge, so we dies.
Shut up, Brilliant. Who sent you to guard this bridge?
War lad, I think they call him. Right, Bertone?
Brilliant. Don't talk to it. Smash it if it tries to cross.
Don't call me Brilliant. Me not afraid of you, Bertone.
Jinx, you must not be afraid of anything.
Not afraid of anything. Not even a scarrick.
What's a scarak?
Me smash smelly things. Smashed them. Too many on the Reed Plain.
Thick
Hint,
with
hint.
scaraks, eh?
One too many. You cause trouble. Now go!
Here, have a
My
scarab.
friend Jinx, I have something that might interest you.
Ah! Smelly scarrick! Bertol! A scarrick! Run, Bertol! A scarrick! Bertol, wake up! Follow me! Ah!
Uh-huh. Wah, wah, wah. And that's the last